What's up everyone? Welcome back to Crypto Cash, where we go over different ways to make that crypto. Let's go over how to earn crypto from your mobile phone with these 8 fun play to earn crypto mobile games, most of which are free to play, and be sure to subscribe now if you want. All is good. Thanks! So first off, let's talk about Pegasus. Pegasus is a free play versus player mobile and PC horse racing game that provides a variety of options for players to participate inside the action and its ecology. In-game currency may be used to purchase and race horses, breed them, or rent them out to fellow gamers. As part of Pegasus' unique ecology, you may join any race for free. Despite the competitive nature of the games, the payouts are still substantial. There are 14 additional riders vying for position in the top 3. There are VIS tokens for all players who finish in the top 3. To make it into the top 3, you need a combination of knowledge, strategy, and talent. Take the time to train and bond with your Pega, because the benefits are worth it. Next up, we have Thetan Arena. The esports game Thetan Arena is available for iOS and Android smartphones. The gameplay is reminiscent to a conventional MOBA, and it has a battle royale option as well. Thetan Arena has over 23 million gamers, a functioning marketplace, as well as 2-token ecosystem on the BSC, making it one of the more popular play-to-earn video games around. Play as a character with a certain class and role on the battlefield, either a tank or an assassin or an expert marksman. For each hero you select, you'll get a unique ultimate ability and 2 more talents that are available to all players. As a player, this decision is totally up to you. Each hero is best suited for a certain job. When it comes to abilities, they are offensive or defensive in nature. Should you desire to go all offensive, consider using a sharpshooter hero and selecting 2 offensive talents from his repertoire. In the arena, you'll put your chosen hero's abilities to the test. Different game modes include Battle Royale, Solo or Duo, Tower Siege, Superstar, Deathmatch, and Custom Battle. Next is Cryptoshooter. Cryptoshooter is a name that appears in a number of other games, but only this one is mobile friendly. Matching and bursting bubbles is the only way to save Sparky's baby sparrows. New challenges may be found throughout the 5 maps with 100 levels that the player can explore. Spark points, a type of in-game currency, may be earned by playing the game and used to purchase quicker burst shooters. Each level has its own unique set of challenges to overcome. Even the bubbles are outside the screen. Use your dexterity and precision to strike them. Each tournament's start and conclusion dates will be posted on their social media platforms. Along with the schedule, will reveal the winners of each tournament's rewards. The game is free to play, but players will encounter commercials. So next, we have League of Kingdoms. This game is an Android, iOS, and PC-based multiplayer strategy game. The players must work together to strengthen their alliance. Each participant is in charge of a kingdom of their own. In addition, gamers have the option of purchasing virtual land and developing it to earn passive revenue. A play-to-earn mechanism is also included in League of Kingdoms. Gamer resources may be collected, minted on the blockchain, and then sold to the highest bidder. It's a straightforward technique that doesn't require players to commit any money. Players must, however, pay for their own gas fees in order to earn any money. League of Kingdoms is set in a universe where players must acquire resources and engage in combat with one another. Conflict can be sparked by certain occasions. For example, everyone desires to possess a shrine, which could only be conquered at certain times of year. The outcome is an all-out battle in which everyone is vying for power. Soldiers will die, and gamers will have to gather resources in order to upgrade or restore their army in order to continue fighting. Next on the list, we have the mobile-friendly Plants vs. Undead. The primary gameplay of Plants vs. Undead is easily understood by anyone who has played Plants vs. Zombies. NFTs can be owned by players in a multiplayer tower defense game. Free-to-play mobile game Plants vs. Undead employs the play-to-earn model. The game has grown in popularity in Brazil as a result of the fact that users may win prizes without having to pay. Users must possess plants to preserve the mother tree in order to progress in the game. It is possible to buy these plants as NFTs from the market. In the farming mode, you can grow 8 different kinds of plants over the course of multiple rounds. The objective is to construct a farm that is impervious to attacks by undead. But fans of Plants vs. Zombies or Balloon Tower Defensive and other player vs. player defense games will love Plants vs. Undead, which promises to be just as tough and addicting as its predecessors. The popular Upland is next up. Upland is a Monopoly-inspired game. In-game tokens, or UPX, are used to purchase and possess digital representations of real-world properties. Additionally, landowners can sell the property for real money or USD even if UPX is merely an in-game token. To get started, players are given some UPX to use toward their first purchase. Next, users make money through owning and exchanging digital property, collecting unique collections, plus engaging in treasure-type hunts and various live activities. Over a dozen American cities now utilize Upland's real-world maps. The game's property are inspired by real-world borders, and players may travel between cities through transit portals. Transit stops and even renowned landmarks may be owned by players. Upland has added virtual companies and the opportunity for users to engage together on developing and improving properties to its initial game of simple property ownership. There will be a lot more happening with this great game. Upland is available as a browser extension and as an app for both iOS and Android devices. Next is Reward Hunters. Reward Hunters is part of the most recent play-to-earn games for iOS, also Android, has the Battle Royale game mode, also an open environment, a medieval atmosphere, and a variety of characters. One-on-one matches or 8-on-8 games are also options. The game is won by the last person standing. Other elements, like gambling events including weekly tournaments, may be added down the road for this MMORPG. To play, players have to own their RHT coin, which gives them privileges to Binance coin prizes. The goal of the Reward Hunters token project is to make crypto gaming more social and engaging. Token holders are rewarded with BNB reflections, which not only prevents unscrupulous trading activities, but also allows holders to generate passive income. The RHT token will serve as the foundation for a multi-game environment. And last but not least, we have AXI Infinity. The most significant game built on a blockchain to date is AXI Infinity. At its pinnacle, that marketplace was selling millions of dollars worth of AXIs each day, and they were going for thousands of dollars. It's all about AXIs, a charming and cuddly critter, and utilizing those for exploring the Lunation world. Lunatia is the name given to AXI's universe, which is an open world made up of different pieces of land that its players control. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, can be purchased, leased, and developed on this territory. The value of these species is based on their scarcity, and it is possible to buy, sell, and trade them. They can cost anything from a few $100s up to several $100,000. Well, there you have it. 8 mobile play-to-earn crypto games. I hope you were able to learn from this video, and be sure to like the video if it helped and subscribe if you want to see more ways to make that crypto. Thanks and take care!